Hey friends, welcome back.
Today's recipe is a veg starter or a side. A very easy and simple version of paneer fry. Come, let's see how it can be made. Here I have taken ginger and garlic paste 1 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, red chilli powder 1 teaspoon, chaat masala 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, Zeera powder half a teaspoon, cornflour 3 tablespoons, Maida or all-purpose flour 2 tablespoons, salt according to taste. Add water little by little and mix everything together. Here I have taken fresh paneer cubes around 300 to 400 grams. Mix everything until it is all coated well and marinate for a minimum of half an hour to 1 hour. Next, moving on to the frying process. Add each cube to the hot oil separately so that it all does not stick together. Deep fry on medium to low heat for a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes. Garnish with onions and chaat masala. So our delicious tangy flavored paneer is ready. It goes very well with rice as a side or even as a starter or appetizer. So do try this recipe and let us know how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.